Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're here to guide you on the Amazon shopping application, where we'll learn how to add items to our wish list. Let's get started. To begin, open the Amazon shopping app on your mobile phone. If you already have a list, you can access it by clicking on the person icon at the bottom, which will lead you to your account options, including your list. Assuming you have wish lists already, let's go back to the home screen and select an item you wish to add. For example, I'll choose this. Since I don't have the funds right now, I'll add it to my wish list. Instead of Add to Cart, you'll find the Add to List option. Tap on Add to List, and you can choose whether to add the item to an existing wish list or create a new one. You can name your new wish list or select an existing one. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.